Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys easy steps to brew cold brew at home. These are the things you need. Container like this, or jars like mason jars, 500 ml ones, are just nice for one serving. Next, you will need 400 grams or ml of cold water, and of course the weighing scale. Next is the main ingredient, which is the coffee. 60 grams of coarsely grounded coffee of your choice. Now let's move on to the steps. Pour in the coffee grinds. Stir and mix well so that all of the surface area of the coffee grinds are well combined with the water. Next, cover with the lid tightly. And we're off to the fridge to chill the cold brew. It's recommended to steep for 12 to 24 hours. In this case, I did for 16 hours. So let's take out our cold brew from the fridge. To strain, you can use cheesecloth or coffee sock. For me, I'm using V60. Pour the cold brew onto the V60 filter. Give it a little stir. Pour the remaining cold brew. Give it a few more stirs. Don't forget to discard the used coffee filter. Add ice if you want it colder. And there you go. And it's ready to be served. Oh yes. You can add milk too. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Check out my next upcoming video. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.